Yes! Good morning guys. Musanto siya. Kabasalan sa kayo namin. Yeah, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. So, for today's video, siya nga pala. Bago ang lahat, before anything else, I just want to say, belated happy birthday, Mox, no? Yan. Okay, so for today's video guys, our plan is to drop my wife on her work. And then, na-drop ko si Mrs. And then at the same time, Paul is gonna be with me. Pupunta po kami we're going to the Filipino community. Yeah, because we're gonna have a meeting. And then, at the same time, we're going to eat we're gonna have our breakfast. Yeah, with my son. And one thing more, I'm going to bring Paul on I think Baguio Village. Sa Baguio Village ata, kasi bumili ako ng pants ko guys na gagamitin. Hanggang kung lang tayo, ukay-ukay muna. Yan. Baguio Village dito guys, ukay-ukay. Yan. And after that, Paul is going to his classmate before, named Dab. Yeah. Birthday po niya ngayon. So, Paul is going to a birthday party on his friend. Actually, si Dab po kasi kaklase na niya mula noon pa. Yeah, they were close friends. Yeah. So, kung maalala nyo, last year, si Dab nagkaroon din siya ng birthday party sa may Chuck E. Cheese. Yan, noon. And then, now, Paul gonna have also and then he's gonna have a birthday in a pro bowling. So, doon sa pro bowling guys, napunta na namin yun noon eh. Yeah. Kung makikita nyo mamaya. So, yun guys, yun po ang plano. So, dyan lang po kayo, antabayan nyo po kami, no? Guys, so maraming salamat po, no? So, ano pa nga ba? Tara, let's! Yun guys, paas na po kami. Ayan. Kasama ko yung magina ko. So, we're going to Clark. Medyo guys, medyo palamig na guys, no? Hirap. Palamig na. Yun, uy si Sammy. Oh, grabe si Chong. So yun guys, balik tayo ko yung camera guys. Yun. That's it, guys. We just dropped my wife. No? So right now, this is a plan of the boys. Right, Paul? Yeah. We're going to McDonald.
Make sure you don't tell my mom.
Yeah, we can have. I don't know. Even she will know.
Even if she watch it.
And then after that, we're going to the referee community center. Yeah.
What if mom's watching it?
Yeah. Kita tayo doon. Kita tayo. Doon muna tayo, guys. Nagugutom na kasi ako. Gutom na siya ako, guys. Yet, we are here in McDonald's, guys. So we're gonna eat, and then after that, we're going to the community center. So, yes, let's see inside the McDonald's, guys.
Okay.
So, guys, we are here in McDonald's now. We are eating what? Hot cake. Yeah. And then, guys, so he's opening his gift, and then I have my I think sausage and egg muffin, yeah, and a coffee at the same time. So guys, dito na tayo sa venue ng Kasama natin si Mr. Leandro Villarus. Yeah, and this is my Paul. So guys, kita-kits tayo sa loob kung anong mga activity. Hi guys, so we changed our venue, no? Kasi nagkaroon ng problema doon sa gym. Holiday ngayon kasi hindi na-rehistro. So we're going back to our old location dito po sa sa Falstaff. Yeah. So far nandito they are here with my friends. Yeah, you can see outside. Yan, yung mga sasakyan nila. Yan, nandiyan na. Nandiyan na si Mr. Mr. Villarus. So, I'm with my son. Yeah, say hi, Paul.
Hi.
Yeah. So, hindi na kayo magtatagal kasi susundin namin si Mrs. mga alauna. Yeah. And then, we're going to the party of Dab.
My friend.
Yeah.
My friend.
So guys, tingnan natin yung mga plano. Kasi ang pag-uusapan dito kasi guys, we have a plan to actually I am a official referee for Naricom basketball. So we have a schedule for Niagara within this next week. So it's gonna be 2 days. Pag-usapan namin kasi mayroon din kaming kontrata dito sa may Battle 44. Yung mga ibang namin kasamaan. Hindi ko alam kung mahati kami sa dalawang So far kasi medyo malaki-laki yung kontrata doon sa Niagara. Kaya yun guys, tingnan natin. So guys, katatapos lang ng namin ng meeting. Yeah. So yun, may mga schedule na, text na lang guys. Niagara project, USBC. Picture. Hey. Yan, boy. Ay, saan to sa YouTube? YouTube oh.
Pwede bang picture mo ako bang passport size?
Pasabog. Picture tayo, picture. Marami picture?
Video daw, video.
Tayo, pag-check picture daw.
Ako sang kopya. Pang passport daw.
1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3. Video picture to ha. Ay, meron. Oh, marami yan.
Bigyan mo ako tubay ito na kopya.
So yun guys, kanina umuwi muna kami ni Paul kasi maaga pa naman bago sunduin si Mrs. And then eto nga kasi nagkaroon ng problema dun sa gym kaya nagkuhan na lang kami, nag-outside games. And then nagkaroon kami ng konting banding yung mga kasama ko. Yun nga, dahil sa malamig na, dahil sa season na ng taglamig, yun kanina pinawisan ako natuyan ako ng pawis kaya masakit ang katawan. So guys, ngayon susunduin namin si Mrs. kasi pupunta kami sa party. We're going to a party around 3 o'clock, right? Yeah. So yun. So guys, kita-kits tayo mamaya pag uwi kasi hindi namin si Mrs. and kita tayo mamaya pagpalis na tayo punta ng birthday guys. Yun guys. So yan mga kabalay, nandito na tayo sa area nung yung bulingan area na atin si pool ng Baliktarin ko lang guys. Ito yung maginako yan. Ito yung area na nagbulingan namin noon guys, kung maalala nyo na kapuputol ng buhok ni Paul. Yan. Ito na. Yun. And then one thing more guys, ang ganda. May malapit na Value Village dito. Mamaya pupunta tayo. Tatamingin ng mga kailangan na bilhin para sa atin. Yun. Yan na. Yeah. Guys, dito na kami sa loob. Ayun. Mapalit na si Paul na pang gonna use it for holding. Right? Yeah.
My name right there.
What?
Say my name.
Oh yeah? Where's your name? Oh, over there. Go.
Are we gonna review? We gonna play? We gonna review?
Ano guys? Si Liam. Si Paul. Yeah. Yun, may pangalan si Paul. Si Paul. Milk there, only one. Oh yeah. Eto, guys, we just finished the birthday party, and now we are having our grocery here in a Walmart, Butters, and Center. Yeah. Bili kami ng mga kailangan namin kasi walang bukas na establishment tomorrow kasi holiday.
Bili na kami ng stock namin para sa Martes. Yeah. So guys, kita-kits tayo. Thank you. Guys, so we are here at home. We just have our dinner a while ago, right?
Yeah.
Kumain na rin kami. So everything is fine. So I gotta say thank you for being with us.
Yeah.
Together with on his classmate's birthday, friend. Name, what's the name?
Dove.
Dove, yeah. Thank you for being with us. And then, yun, nga po, maraming salamat po. Ingat-ingat po kayo lagi. Sana di po kayo magsawa sa paggawa namin ng video. At yun nga po, pasensya na po at kami lang magama ang kumukuha na ng video. We just the two, between two of us. Right, video?
Yeah.
Paul? So, what you gonna say, Paul? Come, you gonna say? Please?
Please like and subscribe.
Yeah, thank you. Good night and boo.